Welcome friends, welcome to AIPMT Solutions for 2016 by Nivedita Classes. Now we will discuss question number 19 of Code Z for the subject Physics. The question number 19 is a NPN transistor is connected in common emitter configuration in a given amplifier. You know what is common emitter configuration? Just we want to draw the symbol of NPN transistor. Here the arrow is downward for the NPN transistor. This is collector, this is base, and this is emitter, and it is NPN, so the arrow is downward. Here the load resistance, that is collector resistance, it is 800 ohm, that is RC means collector resistance is 800 ohm, and the voltage drop in collector ends is, we can say it, Vc, that is equal to 0.8 volt. If the current amplification factor is 0.96, we know very well the current amplification factor for NPN transistor in common emitter configuration, that is beta, it is given that 0.96, and this is unitless, this is the ratio of the currents, and the input resistance of the circuit is 192, and what is input here? This is RB, base resistance, and this was collector resistance RC. Then RB is given 192 ohm. It is required to find out the voltage gain and power gain. Voltage gain is written by AV, what we have to find, and power gain is written by AP. First of all, we know the relations in currents through beta. Beta is equal to output current divided by input current, and it is given that 0.96. Here output current IC can be find out. We know that V is equal to IR, then we can find current as current is equal to V upon R. Then IC is equal to Vc upon RC. IC is equal to Vc upon RC. Into 1 upon IB, that is equal to 0.96. From here we can find base current IB is equal to Vc upon RC divided by 1 upon 0.96, and here Vc is 0.8 volt and RC is 800 ohm. After putting the values, we can get 0.8 divided by 800 into 1 upon 0.96. After solving, we can get this base current, that means input current, will be equal to 1 upon 960. Now we can find the input voltage from the formula. VB is equal to IB, RB, we know RB is 192, RB is given 192 and base current is 1 upon 960. That will be equal to 192 upon 960. Now what we have to find? Voltage gain. Voltage gain is output voltage, that is collector voltage, divided by input voltage. Here input voltage is VB. Output voltage is given 0.8 volt and input voltage is 192 divided by 960. After solving, we can get this is equal to 4. We can see the voltage gain is 4 in first 3 options. So we have to find the power gain, and power gain is, it is denoted by AP, and it is equal to power of output divided by power of input. Here output is collector and input is base. Power is VI means VC IC divided by VB IB. VC divided by VB, that is 4. AP is equal to 4 multiplied by IC is what? IC is collector current, and collector current is IC is VC upon RC, and IB is given. After putting the values of IB, VC, RC, we can get AP is equal to 3.84. So the third option is matches.